In a mystical forest, the sun and wind were friends. They noticed the forest's creatures were tired from collecting coal. "Let's help them," said the sun. The wind agreed, whispering to the trees. Suddenly, the trees began to dance, creating energy. The creatures were amazed. "No more coal," they cheered. The sun smiled. "Now you can rest and play." The wind added, "And the forest will thrive." The creatures learned that working with nature was better than against it. As the stars twinkled, they realized the true magic was in harmony.